Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today this video is about just motivating you all. So we all of us knows that there's a lot of cases are increasing. Many of the people are many of our friends or our neighbors or in our community, we are hearing that person has passed away, this person is died because of COVID. Lot of things in even in the YouTube, in the channels, people are giving a lot of information about people are passed away, people are died, and some it's like that. In some people are they're not able to breathe, they're not getting the bed. We are hearing every day like this. So we all are like really depressed due to this COVID, and we are really suffocated due to this pandemic. We are inside the four walls and we are not able to go out, and there's outside lockdown. It's, you feel like you're really sophisticated, and how you can how long this all will, like we know that all we are going through this kind of frustration. Friends, we are literally broken because of this COVID. So today is, I want to encourage you all, if you're listening this video, be very positive, because I am residing in Dubai. When here there is a big lockdown, we gone through a lot of challenges here, to pay the rent, our daily needs, all this we gone through a lot of challenges. Even whenever my husband is going up to the work, so when he is coming back, I'm really scared because I have two small kids. When my husband is coming to house, when children are running to him, it is I'm also so worried. I used to think many times. So friends, when I can able to overcome, definitely you all can overcome. Just take a start taking a precautions more, like start using the face mask, have a social distance. If the person is going out, please maintain social distance and don't do any shake hands. This is not the right time that you will do the shake hands. You will meet many people, and once the lockdown is finished, again you have to go back to your normal life. So that time it is very important, where you will focus on lot of precautions which can prevent the COVID, friends. So we have done lot of precautions. So especially I have tried with many of this home remedies, like ginger juice with honey, and turmeric with honey, and then neem leaves with honey. All this neem leaves, making juice, and that is we are adding to honey. All this I have tried many times, like weekly 3 times, weekly 2 times, because I was in a kind of very depressed that how it will spread. And I have two small kids. What about my kids when my husband is going out to work? So a lot of things like this. So we have able to overcome the life of that COVID. So we have taken the vaccination now. So but still, taking the vaccination is not that confirmed that you will not corona. Still you will get the corona. But friends, it is about how much you will take care of the precautions, and how much you will take care of yourself. So friends, please follow the home remedies which can prevent you. Please follow the social distance, please wear the mask. And friends, this is very important. You all are hearing this, that there is a person is lost, and the beds are not getting like this. You are hearing, friends, I request you all, please, if anyone is lost, your family member, please be positive, don't cry. This is not the end of the life, there is a still life. So whatever that we are going through now, this pandemic is not permanent of your life. It is just a part of your life, we can overcome. Friends, please be very positive, and carry throughout the day only a positivity, and don't cry. Yes, you are hearing your self with lot of COVID cases, COVID death, everything. Please stay very positive. If the person is lost in your family, please think that it is not because of COVID, or just it is a reason for him to leave this earth. So Please friend, I'm requesting everyone stay very positive. And if any person you lost, yes, it is a loss, come out of it. There is still life for you. You have to lead the life. It is not end of your life. Please, I can understand that a person loss is not a simple thing that we can able to come, but we have to overcome. Please friends, be very positive. Please take a precaution measures, which is very important right now at this moment. Then friends, and one more important, I want to tell you about corona vaccination. If you have anything like for example, if your body is already having some problems like BP, high blood pressure, sugar, and it is not like for example cholesterol, having high cholesterol, like this kind of anything like your body is already having, is going through kind of concern about health, then please don't go for a vaccination. It is not okay to take your corona vaccination at this moment. It is very important because your body is not able to take up, especially the people whoever is like 50 plus. Please stop going forward to take the corona vaccination, because this is not the right time for you. You just take the precautions more and get one blood test, like where you can check your blood pressure and sugar, and then cholesterol is everything is okay, then you can go for a vaccination. And please friends, some people are getting, even after the corona vaccination, immediately they are getting corona positive. So please stay positive. The vaccination is working in your body. There is a lot of chances of getting positive, corona positive. Sometimes it will become negative also. So it is just be positive, and it depends upon your body nature. It will react in your body. Sometimes your body will not cope up with the vaccination, sometimes it will. So friends, so make sure that what kind of nature body is yours. It is your body is very sensitive to the vaccination, then please do avoid, because don't think that it is not the right time for you. Just take some courage, be very positive, and let this crisis pass through it, so that you can able to take the vaccination. Friends, please be very positive. This is not our permanent life. This is just a temporary, only for some time. If all of us are taking precautions, if all of us are following the this corona, how to prevent, the steps we have taken, that means the corona is no more. So please friends, stay positive, and be positive, that you have a very good guts, you have very good willpower. Don't lose it, and trust in yourself that you are enough strong, nothing gonna shake you. So if anyone is lost a member in your family, please come out of the loss. You can there is still life for you, and this is not the permanent life that you're going through. Lot of people are going through the same. So please stay positive and come out of this pandemic negativity. Stay positive. The life is beautiful for you. Just a few days of matter in coming days, think like that. So that's all friends. If you like the video, please do subscribe, and please follow the steps which can prevent the COVID. I have already posted in my previous video. Please watch it, how to prevent. And thank you so much for listening, and take care. Love you all. Bye bye.